Hi, Pam Skinner, Picky Pam at the beach. Hey, I just wanted to take a minute and share our Coco Loco lice story with you. Our goal is to help stressed moms treat lice naturally with confidence and get back their peace of mind. This is our Coco Loco Nit Kit, and it contains everything you need to check or treat at home. Coco Loco lice treatment is 4 simple steps. Spray, part, comb, done, and you're done. Our 10-minute tutorial shows you exactly what to do. And our NitNabber is the world's best lice comb. Look how easily it glides through hair and gets all the lice and nits. Best comb on the market. And you should know that with every purchase of Coco Loco products, you're helping to support our self-funded Project HOPE, Head Lice Outreach, Prevention, and Education. Thank you for watching.